In part one, we built the invisible shield. But what happens when the fight is unavoidable? Most people freeze. Not because they're weak, but because their body betrays their mind. We will show you why complex fighting moves fail under pressure and how to use the simple primal power your body already has. I'm Dixon Jr. with Dixon Self-Defense Academy. We are dedicated to making you calm, capable, and confident protectors your family depends on. This segment is about activating your power when you need it most. So today, we unlock your body survival instincts. You'll learn the science of simple moves, the critical targets, how to beat a grab, the mama or papa bear mindset, and the ultimate purpose of the fight. The problem we solve is physical paralysis, the failure of the motor skill under stress. Our main message is that survival depends entirely on simplifying your movement and using overwhelming force to escape. 1. The science of simple moves. Why your hands fail. When fear hits, your brain cuts power to your hands, meaning complex moves are guaranteed to fail. When you're surprised, the panic button, the amygdala, is pressed. Your body floods with adrenaline and your blood rushes to your big muscles, your arms and legs, to help you push or run. The limit? This is great for power, but terrible for precision. If your heart rate goes above 115 beats per minute, your small, fine motor skills, like dialing a phone or doing a complicated wrist lock, will stop working. So here's a practice strategy you can use. This is why we only use gross motor skills. Big, simple movements like swinging a hammer or pushing a door. These moves are reliable even when your brain is in chaos and you have tunnel vision, loss of 70% of side vision. We train these simple moves so they become immediate, guaranteed reflexes. Number 2, where to strike for instant escape. The goal is not to win a martial arts contest. The goal is to create the fastest exit possible by striking an instant off switch. We don't fight fair. We aim for the attacker's critical weak points, the spots that cause immediate, massive disorientation or pain. For example, the targets. Think eyes, nose, throat, or groin. A simple, aggressive palm strike to the nose or throat uses your big, pushing muscles and is one of the fastest ways to stop a fight. So here's a practice strategy. Remember the rule. Never just throw one punch. In a real crisis, you must strike unrelentingly again and again until the threat has completely stopped and you can run away. This is the action until cessation rule. If you wait to see if the first hit worked, your attacker will be on top of you. Number 3, how to beat a grab, the simple release. When grabbed, your defense must be an immediate counterattack that breaks their structure and leverage. If someone grabs you, you can't waste time trying to untangle their fingers. You must combine a release with an attack. This is the one-step release principle. The bear hug. If someone hugs you from behind, low to the ground, you can't fight them with your arms. You must attack their base. Use a powerful knee strike to the groin or stomp hard on their instep. You're hitting a critical target and breaking their leverage at the same time. So here's a practice strategy. The elbow strike is your best friend in close range. If they grab your shirt, use your elbow to hit their face, chest, or abdomen. The elbow is a strong bone and is one of the simplest, most powerful gross motor moves you'll have to create distance. Number 4, the mama or papa bear mindset, activating protective purpose. The willingness to fight back is a powerful biological force that can be trained and assessed. Many people hesitate to fight because they think aggression is bad, but the aggression needed for self-defense is protective aggression, not anger or violence. The science. This is often called the mama bear effect, or papa bear for us men. Studies show that when mothers feel the need to defend, their body uses different chemistry that actually dampens their fear, giving them an extra burst of courage. So here's a practice strategy. We train you to change from prey to predator in the shortest possible time. You have the absolute right to strike preemptively if you genuinely fear for your safety. Your job is not to worry about the laws. Your job is to survive and get to safety. 5. The ultimate purpose, why we fight. We must know the why behind the fight, or how the techniques will fail when pressure hits. Simon Sinek talks about the golden circle. We all know what we do, the self-defense techniques, and how we do it, the simple gross motor moves, but why is the most crucial part. Our why. Your purpose isn't personal survival. It's protecting your family, your mission, and the future you are building. This higher purpose is what gives you the courage to overcome the freeze response. So here's a practice strategy. Remember that you are a leader and a protector. Leaders protect what matters most. By putting your family's mission first, you access the powerful, focused aggression, and you find the strength to act decisively when others would freeze. So in summary, you've learned the rules of the physical fight. Keep it gross, strike the off switches, escape the grab, and activate your mama or papa bear mindset through purpose. Now you know the mental and physical framework, but training is required to turn knowledge into reflex. Subscribe for part 3, the training plan, and visit the website or click the link in the description below. We offer specific high-stress training that hardwires these techniques into your body so you can move from condition orange to immediate action without thinking. Don't just hope you'll be safe. Become the calm, capable, confident leader who owns their peace and defends their purpose.
Attacks can be sporadic. I'm like a drunken master without the drink spazzing. Jackie Chan on these punks who wanna rob. I'm turning supermarkets into scenes from Rumble in the Bronx. Throwing punches in bunches, every one of them landing. Accuracy's 100. I smash you with one punch, man.